Can you see in your home tab, there is a, on your right hand side, there is a utilities and then measure. Click the measure and then go to volume.
Utilities measure.
Can you see my screen?
Okay, yes. Okay, yes, I can see you. Okay. So this is under which? Okay, home. Okay, home. Measure. But why mine don't have? Let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, home.
Go to utilities. Drafting and annotation. The 3D basic. Click the 3D basic on top. The workspace. Remember? Workspace 3D basic. On top.
3D basic.
Top. Some more up. Find 3D basic.
Okay, yes.
Drafting and annotation. The first one. Can you see the
Measurement.
measure?
Yes, measure.
Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Vasu.
Yes,
Hi,
volume. Hi, sir. Volume, right?
Yes, your volume. You want volume, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, O for object. Press O for object. O, enter. And then select the object.
All right.
Okay. You haven't unite yet. Union. Remember union?
Union.
You go back to 3D basic, or you type union now. Type union. UNION. You type. Enter. Select all the object. Enter. Okay, now go to measure, volume. O for object. O, enter. Select the object. So what do you get?
Okay. 5818.1.5818.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So this is the volume I have to put it in my PDF format, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sir, my volume different 39905.
Something is wrong there.
Can I share, sir?
So if your volume is not same, then you have to draw again.
Alamak.
You have to draw again. Because it's wrong already.
Probably can know where is the mistake.
Okay, you try to open. Can I have a look?
Okay, sir.
Try to share screen. Okay, please take a look at my screen first. Okay, can you see this volume here? Can you see volume here?
Yes.
Okay, the command that I use is mass properties. MASSPROP. Mass prop. Sorry, MASS, no? MASSPROP. Mass prop, and then select object. Select object, you press enter. Then you will get volume, the same value, right? 58181.5818. Okay. And you see, for example, you have a centroid, moments of inertia, product inertia, something like this. And then press enter to continue. So you enter some more. Okay, so this one, nothing lah. Then you just escape. Write analysis to a file. If I put Y for yes, and then enter, it will ask you to save as a, what is this, MPR file. Let's say I go to save. Okay, I'm not sure what is a MPR file. You can try to open that in a notepad. The MPR file, you try to open in notepad. So for example, share my screen. Where is my MPR? Okay, if you notice here, there is a figure 3 MPR. If I right click MPR and then I go to open with, okay, open with this PC, and then I choose my notepad. Then click OK. So here you can see the volume is stated here. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. So can I share now?
Yeah, please. Where is the other part? That is supposed to be 2 parts, right?
The other file?
No, the platform. It's supposed to have 2, right? Your object is wrong.
Wrong. This?
Your object is wrong. This is not the object. You're supposed to have 2 parts. The bottom part, the biggest part, right? You need to have 2 pieces, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Wait,
Why got one only? Huh?
No? Yes. Maybe I opened the wrong one.
Okay, open the correct one.
Let me see. See if that's what I also don't say. You carry on first. Let me find the file first. Come back to you.
Make sure you put the file name properly. If you don't put your file name properly, right? See, you cannot find already.
Yes, yes.
All
Let
right.
me
Don't
find
put
it.
drawing 1. Instead, you put question number 1, question number 2A, 2B, 2C, or whatever. Okay, put the file name properly so that you can easily find your file back. All right.
Okay.
So okay, stop sharing. Let me share my screen. Okay, this one. Okay, for this one, right? What you have to do is you have to draw the floor plan first. Okay, so for example, let's say I take a screenshot of this image here. I print screen, and then I take a screenshot. I save it. You can see PNG in my desktop, and then I go to my AutoCAD. I create a new drawing, and then I place my. Okay, I go to insert, attach, and then I go to my desktop. ABC. Okay, click OK, click OK. Okay, and I can see from here the width, okay, is 100. This 100. Okay, so I use this as my reference point. Okay, let me share my screen back. Okay, I already placed this image. I draw one line. Okay, I press F8 and then I type 100. Okay, it's very small here. So I need to scale this down. Let's say I scale this down 0.01, and then I move it this to the line. I zoom in, scale again 0.2 maybe. Okay, so it's now almost same size. I put it aside. Okay, and then I make it faded a bit. Okay, so the width of this object is 100. This one is 50. All right, so I need to draw the floor plan first. Okay, after you draw the floor plan, then only you extrude. All right, so extrude, we can't be using extrude because we need to draw all the lines separately. So instead of using separate, what we call extrude, I use my press and pull. All right, so for example, let's say I draw one line. This is 50, and this is 100, and then go down 50, enter again. So I have my width and the height, and then I have this thickness is 10 over here, this line. Okay, so if I want to draw one line 10 units, right, I can use my offset. Offset means I can copy this into here. The distance is 10 units. O for offset, and then specify offset distance. Let's say I choose 10, enter, and then click on this line, and then click on this side. Done. Enter again to exit. Something like this. And then here also, I have line with 10 units. All right, so let's say I go to offset again. I put 10, enter, click, and click here. Okay, later we will remove the extra line there. And then here we have this line. This width is about 30. From here, I can see that this distance is 30. Okay, so I offset again, O for offset, 30, enter, click and click, enter. So whatever extra line I can remove later. Then after that, we have this one. So you can see from here, the distance from this edge is 25, 25. Okay, total is 50. All right, so this line from here to here is 50. All right, so I'm going to offset this line. O for offset, 50, enter. I click and click. Okay, and this small distance, I'm not sure how much. Okay, but I know that this radius is 15. So the diameter is 30. Sorry, from the center point. How do I know center point? 25, 25. All right. So for example here, so what I do, if here 25, here 15, so here should be how much?
10.
10. All right. So what I do, I offset this 10 units. O, enter. 25, 10, enter. Click, click. And this side also same. This line we already have. From here also 10 units. So click, click. That's it. And then I just have to trim all this line. TR for trim. And then I need to remove this. Okay, remove, remove, remove. This line also remove. This line remove, remove, and remove. Okay, we get this. Then after that, we have a small circle here. Okay, this circle from this edge, it's 20 units. From this edge, it's 20 units. So I can actually offset this 20, 20 to get the center point. All right. So for example, here, O for offset, 20, enter, click, 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 click. So this is the intersection for my center point of the circle. Okay, the circle radius is, diameter is 20, radius is how much?
10.
10 radius. All right, so I go to C for circle, choose the intersection point as my center point, click, and then radius is 10, enter. I can remove this line, erase. And this part, okay, we can use the fillet to make it rounded. And the radius of the fillet is 20, R20. Okay, so F, enter, R for radius, 20, enter, click the first line, click the second line. So we get this top view here, the plan view. Clear so far?
Yes.
Correct. Did you guys try to create this object?
Already, sir.
Okay, Nur Shaima, I noticed you already done, but how about the rest? Did you guys try it?
Not yet, sir. Going to.
But sir, I have a problem with radius 15. Can you show me
Radius
how to do
15.
that one?
You mean
Yeah.
this one, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes. We'll go through that shortly. All right. Now after we have completed the floor plan, then I can click this home button here, right? And then I can click this view so that it will be similar. Let me see here. Home again. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, something like this. And then what I do, I use my press and pull. Okay, so for example, if you take a look at here, right? Yeah, this drawing, the height from the base up to the maximum over here is 50. Okay. This is 50. So I need to pull this up 50 units. All right. So I go to press pull. Okay, I need to remove this line. This one shouldn't have. So trim, remove this. Okay. So after that, what I do, I go to press pull. You can go to 3D basic. You choose press pull. Okay, and then when you bring your cursor on top, right? Okay, it will be highlighting line, and also it will highlight the area. You click and then move your cursor up. Make sure your F8 is turned on. Okay, so something like this, and then you type 50 and then enter. Okay, from the base 50 units. Okay, and then for this one, right, this is the maximum. What is the height from the base for this object? This line. Anyone? From the bottom
28.
until here, how much?
28 plus 10.
Yes, correct. 28 plus 10. That is from the bottom. So what I do, I use my press pull. Okay, choose and then click the first region. Move your cursor up. You put 38. Enter. Bring your cursor here. Click. Move your cursor up. 38. Enter. Click. Move up. Price 38. Enter. So you get this. All right. Now this is done. Then the next one, this one also. Okay, this object, before you cut, right? Okay, before you remove part of this, you need to extrude first. What is this line's height from the bottom? This area.
38.
Also 38. Yes, very good. Okay, so you press pull again, click, and then move up, type 38. Later we will remove the triangle shape. And how about this base? This
10.
base, right? 10.
10.
Yes. Okay, so I bring my cursor here, I click, and then I move up 10, enter. And then enter again to exit. Now I go to show my shaded view. Something like this. Okay, later we will make a hole over here, and also this part we need to remove. Okay, so far clear?
Clear, sir.
All right. So before we remove this, right, we need to have the line, the circle, and the line where we're going to cut. All right. So to draw a line, you can go to L, enter, and then bring your cursor to the end point. Before you click the end point, right, make sure your surface is highlighted. Can you see this blue color highlight?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure your highlight is over here. Then only you choose your endpoint. You click. Then you choose your second endpoint. You click. Enter. Okay. So once you have this line, right, this border line, you go back to your press pull, click, bring your cursor to this area. Can you see the highlight? You click and make sure when you move this area, right, more than the existing object, you click. It will be removed. Okay. When it's overlapping, it will make a hole. If there is no overlapping happening, it will create an object. Press pull. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now let's say I want to draw my this circle here, radius 15. Okay, where is the radius 15 center point? It is in the midpoint over here, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I do, I go to C for circle, and then bring your cursor until it highlights the surface here, the face
Center
here.
block.
Okay, make sure it highlights first, and then you need to choose the midpoint here, right? So when I bring my cursor, it's only showing endpoint. It doesn't show midpoint. So you type MID. MID, enter, then bring your cursor until you see the triangle shape. Triangle, green color triangle, midpoint. You click. Then you key in your radius. How much is your radius?
15.
15. Enter. Okay. Once you have this circle here, right, you can use your press tool. You click this border here, click, and then drag to this direction, click. Done. Clear? Then you can actually remove all your this extra line. You can just erase this. Okay, and also you can union all these objects. You go to union, you select all your objects, you enter. Then it says 18 point, something like that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you try to do this? You need to have your this plan view first. You need to draw this first. In case you haven't started yet, right? You need to draw this first. Can you?
Sir, I have complete this one, the drawing. Can I show my screen, sir?
Yeah, sure. Share your screen. Okay. You don't need the center line. Center line remove, erase. Okay, to remove line, right, you need to use erase, not trim. Trim is when line is overlapping. Okay. Next time in future, if I say delete the line means you need to use eraser. Erase. Okay, but when the line is overlapping, got extra a bit, then you use the trim. All right. Okay, now try to use the press pull. .3D basic. The workspace you need to change to 3D basic. Okay, click the press pull. Okay, it doesn't highlight, right? Got. Okay, click. Correct. Bring your cursor in the middle. Okay, click, move your cursor up, key in the value. How much height? 50. Enter. Okay, and then you have to rotate your view a bit. The other corner. Yes. No. Corner. Yes, click. Not that. No. Yes. Okay, now click. Move up. What is the value? 38. Okay, the rest also same. Click. And the big one. Okay, enter. Okay, change the view to a shaded view. 2D wireframe. Shaded or realistic also can. Okay. Now draw the line. enter. All right. Press go. Click. Circle. Escape. Escape first. C for circle. Highlight. Then midpoint MID. Enter. Move up your cursor. Yes. Radius. We got R15. Just 15. Enter. Press go. No, no. Down, down. Yep. Click. That's it. Escape. Okay. Then you union first. Okay. Right. And there is another circle. I forgotten that. Let me stop sharing first. And if you notice here, this one R20. Okay, this R20. Okay, since you're already done with this object, right? Okay, R20 is over here. Okay, you can use what you call a fillet for this. Okay, fillet, you have a 3D fillet also. Let's say I choose 3D fillet. Got or not? Surface fillet. Okay, I think I just use a fillet and see. Fillet, F enter. You type F enter, you get fillet, and then you select your 3D object first. Then you select your edge. Okay, so it says enter fillet radius. Okay, what is the radius? 20, right? 20, yes. 20, enter. Select edge or chain. Okay, now you select your edge. You click. And then enter. Okay. Clear? I repeat one more time. I repeat one more time. F, enter. Select first object or blah, blah, blah. Okay, radius. Okay, let's say I type in radius. R, enter. 20, enter. And then select first object. Let's say I select the 3D object. And then enter. Oops, cannot. Again, one more time, I repeat. Let's say I choose my edge first. Radius, enter. Enter, done. Okay, when it says select first object, right, you click at the edge. Okay. Clear, guys? Can you try first? It's okay, someone try first.
It's already done, but I show my screen.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, already done, but I am not sure
That's
whether.
Not 20. That's not 20. I don't think so. Undo first. Control Z. Control Z. Okay. Fillet, F, enter. Click. Click the edge. Click. Okay, and then radius. R, enter. What is asking you to look to key in?
Find the.
I cannot read your command down there. What is it saying?
Enter fillet radius or expression.
Okay, type 20, enter. 20, yeah, 20. Enter.
Oh,
Okay, enter again. Enter again. Okay. Okay, done, completed.
So for this one, I need to
Erase. Select and then delete. Just click. Click on the line, delete. Okay, you can actually delete all the line also, if you don't want the line.
This line all.
You can actually move your object. Delete, erase, enter. Okay, you can move, enter. Move first. Enter. Select your 3D object. 3D object. Just click on your object. Click. Enter. Click anywhere. And then you click on the object. Anywhere. Okay, move it. Move it to the other side. Yes. Click. So this one you can delete if you don't want. If you want to leave it, also can, no problem.
Yes.
Okay. Can everyone?
Sir, I need your support.
Yes.
I haven't started. 1 second.
Okay.
Actually, I haven't started.
Share your screen first. Start to draw your lines.
Yes. L, enter.
Click anywhere and then press F8. Your F8 must be turned on. Press F8. Why do we press F8?
To make the line straight.
Okay, what is the value?
Value is 50.
Key in. 50, confirm,
50.
Okay, and then can you see the line?
I can't see, yeah. But
There is a small line, right?
Yes.
Okay. Bring it to the center then.
Okay.
Yes, K7, what's the problem? Okay, no problem. All right, then line enter. Okay. Choose the endpoint. Click. What is the value?
Value is 100.
Key in the value faster. Enter, and then move your cursor down. Don't enter. You can continue drawing.
Oh, okay.
You just press enter now. Why you undo?
Sorry. 100.
Enter.
Enter.
Move your cursor down. 50, enter. Move your cursor to the left. 100, enter. Or endpoint also can click. Can click. And then enter. Okay, done. And then offset.
Enter.
Yes. And then what is the distance?
Distance is 10.
10. You type 10, enter. Click. Just click. And then the top line also.
First, I have to click O, right? O, enter.
O, enter.
O, enter.
What is the distance?
Distance 10.
Key in 10. Okay.
Okay, so it's another line. It should be 10. enter. No. So 2 lines, right? The top 1, 2.
The other line is what is the distance? The next line, what is the distance?
25. 25.
Is it? Confirm, 25,
25, 25. Total 50, middle line 25.
You don't need the middle line. Where got middle line? The middle line don't need to draw. We don't want the middle line.
So
The next line, what is the distance? Can you see there is a 50, right?
yes, 50.
50 is from where? From where 50?
From here to
No, check properly. From where?
oh sorry, from top to down, bottom.
No, the 25, 25. Can you see the 25, 25?
Yes.
25, 25, 50, right?
Yes.
From where to where?
From here, actually from here to
From there to there, right? So you key in escape first. Enter. Okay, distance is 50. Enter. Click that. The other side. Click. Why you enter? You're supposed to click, right?
enter 50.
Okay.
This line, yeah, this line we need, right? Still, right? Okay.
Then still, what else? The line is missing.
The other line, center line, okay. The other line here.
From where to
Distance
where? Yes.
From here to here.
How much? 50, right? 10, right?
10.
Escape first. Escape first.
Enter.
No, escape. When you key in the offset, right? You need to read what it is asking you. Enter. You need to key in the distance first, right?
Yes.
Why you go and click? Enter. Specify offset distance, 10, enter. Then select object, click. Click the object. The other side. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Then enter again to exit. Okay, what else is missing here?
The other line here.
What is the line distance from that edge?
Actually, total is 38.
No.
Oh, sorry. 20.
No.
From here to here is 20.
From there to there. Where do you get the 20 from?
20
No.
from.
There is no specification there. 20. No.
20.
In your question, right? In your question, look at your right-hand side image.
Right hand side. 30.
From where?
From the curve from here.
No.
To here.
No. Okay, this is the part where you have to able to imagine. The first drawing is your top view, and then from the top view you have the side view, the one on the right hand side.
Okay.
Okay, so the 30 is from the top line. In your current drawing, right? The one in your drawing right now.
Yes.
From the top 30. Where is your top line? That line. From there, 30. So you offset that line 30 units. Okay.
Distance 30.
Enter. Okay, now you trim.
Trim.
Enter first, trim. Yep.
Now circle.
Some more, there's another line you haven't deleted. Check your question.
The line.
Yep.
Okay.
Then can enter now.
Okay. C circle.
Escape first. Your string is still active. Okay, C circle. Before you draw the circle, where are you going to put the center point? Somewhere there, right?
Yes.
You need to be precisely 20 units, right?
Yes.
So you draw that line first.
If the line, draw the line first.
No. You take a look in your question. It says 20 units from the edge and another unit side also 20 units.
Yes, from here to here is 20.
So you can offset the same line also.
Okay, so meaning that, so go enter 20.
Okay.
Sorry.
Click again the bottom one. Click the bottom line.
I don't know why. Something wrong.
Click the bottom line. Click the bottom line. Click the bottom line. Line. Click. Move up your cursor. Click. Okay, done.
Okay, so circle here.
Why you got extra line down there? Circle.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. R 20.
20, confirm.
Diameter 20.
So radius?
Radius 10.
Then why you key in radius 20?
C enter. Okay.
Okay, and then what else? The radius 20, the corner.
This corner, right?
Fillet, F fillet.
F,
Enter.
enter.
R, enter.
R, enter.
20,
Enter.
enter. Click the first line, click the second line. Click, click. Okay, the extra line you can delete, erase. E for erase.
Trim or
E.
erase?
Erase, erase.
Those lines, right?
Yep. Enter. Okay.
Okay, so now
Go to your isometric view. Click the home button. Choose the other corner. In your view cube, the cube, right? Can you see the cube? Top, front, left.
top, front, left.
The cube, the one you click home, right?
Okay.
That cube, not that, up to the right. Right, some more? Yes, click that. So this is better view. Okay, you use your press tool. Where is your press tool? Why don't have 3D? Can you see on top menu there is a drafting and annotation.
3D.
Yep, basic. Not 3D modeling, 3D basic. Press go. Okay, click. Move up your cursor. Up, up, up. Move up. Not left, right, up. Then key in. What is the height from the bottom up?
50.
Key in. Okay, and then next border. Next one. How much? Move up.
38.
Key in. Some more.
This will be 38. 28, right? No.
38 also.
38.
Okay, then the bottom one. No, not the circle. The other one, the big one. Yeah.
Correct?
Correct, correct. How much?
This will be 20, right?
Sure. Check your question.
10. 10.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Enter.
Okay.
Just enter. Okay. Now change your view to shaded view. The 2D wireframe. Okay. And then you union all this. Union. Beside the press tool. Beside the press tool, there is union. Select all your objects. Enter. So it becomes one object. Now draw a line. Go to L, enter. Okay, you choose the face. Where do you want to draw your line? No, not that. The triangle shape, remember the triangle shape, the one you need to cut. No, over there. Then you go to the corner there, so that it will show your endpoint, not that corner. Can you see your question back? Where do you supposed to draw your line? Look at your question. The area that highlighted, right, is supposed to be a triangle shape, right?
Yes.
So you need to draw one line, right, for the triangle shape.
Yes.
From where to where?
From here to here.
Yes. Okay. Click. Okay. And then move your cursor up to the endpoint. Endpoint. Click. Enter. Okay. Use your press pull. Highlight the area that you want to remove. Click. Move. Move. Yes. Click. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now escape and then draw a circle. Now you know where you need to draw your circle.
This point.
You need to highlight the move down your cursor a bit. You need to make the surface highlight first, then only you go to the midpoint. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. See enter and then choose the midpoint. See enter. Go to highlight that. MID enter.
Awesome. C enter.
MID enter.
Enter.
Move your cursor up slowly. Okay, when it shows midpoint, you click. Radius, what is the radius?
R15.
Key in. Okay, press pull. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Then you escape, delete the line, delete the circle.
Delete this line. Okay.
Not trim. Erase, erase, escape, 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 erase, erase. E.
Can.
Erase, enter and see.
Oops.
Okay. Okay, what do? You just move your object a bit. Move, M, enter.
Okay. M enter.
Select your 3D object, click. Click. Enter. Then click anywhere in your drawing. Just click. And then move it. Move your cursor to the right hand side. Yeah. Click. Now you can erase your lines.
Oh, this line, right? See, can. E enter.
You bring your cursor to the up a bit, up, move your cursor up. Okay, move your cursor to the left. Left. Some more up a bit. Up a bit. Click and down a bit. Click and let go your mouse. Move your cursor down. Okay, bring it so that all your line is selected. Move some more. Okay, some more. Okay, click. Enter. Okay.
Perfect.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, anyone got question or not up to here? Up to here, any question, guys? Oh yes, you haven't fillet yet, huh? Vasu?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen again?
Okay, 1 second. Okay, fillet.
F enter.
F enter.
Hmm.
F enter.
And
R
then
enter.
okay, R enter. What is the
20.
radius?
20.
Okay, 20. Enter.
Enter.
Okay, you
Go
click
to-
at the edge where you want to fillet.
This area.
Click. Okay, try enter. Enter. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now,
Okay.
anyone got any question before we proceed? Lee, all okay? Lee?
So far, okay.
Okay, all right. Who else haven't draw yet? Who else haven't draw yet? Janaki done? Janaki, are you there?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, after you have this model, right? Okay, after you have this model, okay. Yesterday I used another command, the solve prof. Okay, so instead of using solve prof, what you do? Okay, you go to your change back to your drafting and annotation. Change back drafting to annotation, and then you go to your layout. Okay, layout currently you don't have your title block. Okay, so what you can do, you copy first this model. This model, you select the model, you press Ctrl C to copy, and then you go back to your the drawing that you have your title block. Okay, you open your drawing, the one with the title block, and then whatever layout that you have, right, you just make a copy. How to make copy? You right click, and then you go to move or copy, and then create a copy, click OK. So once you have a copy here, right, let's say for example, I have figure 3.2. So this figure 3.2, I right click, I rename. Okay, this is question number 3. Okay, I type NO3 and then I enter. NO3 is already in use. Oh, I already done that. Okay, let's say I put NO_3. Okay, so I rename this and then I go back to my model space here and then I paste it. Control V. Okay, just click anywhere. I have this object. And then I go back to my number 3 here. All right. And then I go to MS, enter. I don't want to see anything over here. Type MS, enter. And then you make sure the screen is blank. Nothing should be here. Make sure it is blank. And then you type PS for paper space. Okay. Can you see up here? In your home tab, there is a view and then there is a base. Okay, you click that. From model space, you click. Okay, I can see there is 2 objects here. Let me just select. No. Okay, I escape first now. Okay, I go back to my model, and then if I go to base from model space, it will say select object. So I select only this one object. Okay, from model space, from model space, I go to click this space and then select the object, enter, and then enter new or existing layout name to make current. So for example, my number 3 is already selected. If it is not, you type your layout name, NO_3. This is my layout name that I renamed just now. Then you enter. So it will go to your layout, something like this. All right. So for example, this one, right? The orientation, I want it to be a different orientation. So for example, if I choose NEST isometric, so I get this view. I don't want this view. So I change the orientation to NE isometric. Okay, let's say this is the view that I want. Then you just click. Okay, after change orientation, you click and then you press enter, enter. You will get this line. All right. So once you get this, you can select your object here, and then you still can edit view. Okay. When you go to edit view, okay, the scaling, I'm going to change it to 1:1. Okay, something like that. And then I don't want to see any hidden line. Okay, the question say don't show your hidden line. So hidden line, change it to visible line. That's one. And then the edge visibility. Click the edge visibility. We don't want to see the tangent edges. No tangent edges. And then the interference edge. Okay, this one no issue, so you don't have to check this one. All right, and then you click OK. Done. Clear so far? I will repeat again, don't worry. So far, understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you do together with me, let me just erase this. Okay, can you copy and paste to this document? From this drawing, you copy this 3D object. Select the object, you press Ctrl+C to copy, and then you open this document, the one with the title block. Open this document, you go to your model, you paste. Can you do that now? Ctrl+V and then you click. Do that first.
Sir, can you do the title block, sir?
Huh? Title block.
Yeah.
Why? It's already done, right?
Because the other day I missed out the title block.
I already give you the video, right?
Yes.
Why you didn't see the video? Not my mistake, huh? You guys better watch the video and then do it first. All right?
Okay.
Okay, those who already completed the model, you copy the model and then you paste it in your this templates here, the one with the title block. Okay, later I will show you how to you can save this template so that you can use it in future. All right. If done, please let me know. Copy paste. Anyone done with the copy paste? Shahima done? Or Shahima?
Yeah, done.
Copy paste already? K7 done? Copy paste?
No, sir. My
Title
layout,
blocks.
yes.
Haven't.
My layout, the title block still not yet complete.
Not yet complete.
Yes.
Shahima dah complete ke title block?
Belum.
Belum juga. Okay, anyone here
Apa itu
complete?
saya buat nanti.
Okay, all right. Okay, not to worry. So for example, since who else? Anyone? Ada yang dah ke? Janaki, are you done?
No, sir. It's okay. I can view the video. No problem.
All right. Okay, so title block, you refer back to the video and then you do it. Okay, once you have your title block, okay, just in case if you haven't do this right, for example, just in case you haven't created this model, what you do is, if for example, just an example, let me save this file. Save this file. Okay, this is number 3. Okay, So what I do after I created, not this, I close this. No. Okay, after I draw my title block, okay, I go to erase everything in my model space here, delete all. Okay, you can press E, enter, ALL, enter. So that means this drawing got nothing, no drawing at all. Okay, I click back my top view. Then I go to my whatever layout they have. Okay, for example, I delete all this. I don't want this. Right click, delete. Okay, right click, delete. Okay, delete, delete, delete. Oops. Delete. Okay, so now I have one layout, and then I'm going to rename this as layout also lah. Layout 1. Okay, something like this. Okay, in this drawing, okay, I only have this title block, no model object. Okay, I have nothing here. Let's say back to the wireframe. Okay, so if I zoom out, I have nothing. All right, so this layout, I'm going to save it as a template. All right, so I go to the AutoCAD logo here, and then you can go to save as. Okay, and then here, okay, here it doesn't show anything. Okay, let's say I just click the save as button. Click the save as button. File of types here, you change it to DWT. AutoCAD drawing template. Okay, you choose template and then you give a name for it. Okay, for example, I type OUM and then what is that? Template. Okay, and then I go to save, and then I go to save all layer as save all layer, whatever lah, leave it as it is. Then I click OK. Current save is a different location. Do you want to update reference? Okay, update. Okay, now what happened here? Let's say I close this. Okay, I don't save. Okay, so what happened? Next time when I create a new drawing, okay, I can choose my template here. Okay, when I create a new drawing, I choose my template. I have my layout already done. I go to model. You see, whenever, even though I choose a new template, right, it says drawing. So now I can start to create my drawing. Let's say I just simply draw one line, line, okay, whatever line. Okay, so I draw something like this. Now, if I go to my layout, I type MS for model space. If I zoom out, okay, I have my objects here. Understand? Okay, or I can also import my other model that I already completed. For example, I go to open this drawing. I copy this object. I go to this drawing, the new drawing that I created. Just paste it here. And in my layout, I can see my object. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
it means we can create with new file, right? We open and
Yes,
save.
correct, correct.
Yes.
So once we save the template, a blank drawing, no drawing here, only layout, only the title block. We set up the M view and everything, and then you save as template. Okay, once you save as template, you can create new drawing, you paste it there. Okay. Okay, after paste, make sure your screen is blank. Your layout must be blank. And then you go to PS for paper space. Okay, once you are at the PS paper space, you go back to your model space here. Okay, you have your object. If you go to 3D view, you have this. Okay, once you have this, make sure you are at the drafting and annotation. You go to view over here, you click the base. From model space, you select your object, you press enter. And then at the bottom here, enter new or existing layout name, make current. So it's already selected layer 1. I just press enter. It will go to your layout, and on your cursor, you will see a model here. But don't click yet. Don't click. Make sure don't click. You change the view here to, let's say, NE isometric. The orientation here, you change it to NE isometric, then only you click. Okay, once you click, it will say view based select option, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you just press enter first. Press enter again. You'll get your object. Now I want to remove the hidden line and then the tangent line or whatever line. To remove that and make your drawing bigger, you just click on this object, and up here, edit view. Okay, hidden line. I don't want any hidden line. I only want visible line. Choose visible line, and then you go to scaling is 1:1. Your drawing will become bigger. And then edge visibility, uncheck the tangent edges. Okay, we don't want these tangent edges. Then you click OK. Okay, so this is question number 3. You just rename the 3. Then click outside. That. Then you just print this document as a PDF. Okay, sorry. Before that, the line thickness, remember, should be 0.6, right? Okay, so you go to your Home tab, Layer Properties, and if you notice, whenever we create this projection, right, it will be put in the layer, new layer. Okay, I go to MD Visible. Try to turn off the visibility. Can you see that? This current line is over here. So that means this layer, line thickness, change it to 0.6. Click OK. And if you don't see the line become thicker, right, make sure your line weight, LWD, line weight display, enter, make sure you press 1. Then only you will see your line is slightly thicker. Okay, then only you print as PDF. Got it?
Yes, understood.
Okay,
So
for now, what you do, even though you don't have your whatever layout, right? Okay, no problem. You just go to your model space here. You click this base view. You select your model, and then you press enter. Press enter. Can you do that? Can you do that, please? Now, those who already have 3D model, right? You go to your drafting and annotation. You go to view, click on the base. From model space, select your object, press enter 1, press enter 2. Can you do that now? Try first. K7, are you doing it?
So can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Okay,
This one, I guess.
in your layout, right? You already have something there, right?
Yes.
You erase all. E enter, cancel first, escape first, escape. Okay, go to your layout 1. E enter, ALL enter. Enter. Okay, now you go back to your model, choose base. From model space, select your object, press enter. Okay, you have your model there, right? Okay, change the orientation. No, up there. Can you see the up there? Orientation. There is a small drop down arrow. Up. Can also. You choose what we call NEISO, NE, Northeast ISO.
NEISO.
Click. Okay, and then just press enter now. Enter. Enter, just enter. Okay. Click on your object now. Click. Okay, up there, can you see edit view? Projected section detail edit view. Projected section detail edit view. Scale 1:1.
Okay. Scale 1:1.
Click the arrow. Click the arrow. Up. Scroll up. 1:1. Not 1:2. 1:1.
Oh, 1:1. Sorry.
Scroll up. Okay, and then hidden line change to visible line. Beside the 1:1, there is a hidden line. Can you see that? Model space selection, hidden line, visible line. Yep. Okay, edge visibility, uncheck the tangent. Edge visibility below the scaling. Yep. Uncheck tangent edges. Okay, then click OK. The green checkbox hit there. OK. Yep. Okay, done. And also, yes, line thickness. Go to layer properties.
Layer properties.
Where is your layer properties?
Here?
No?
No. Okay.
Yep. Okay, can you see this MD hidden, MD visible, right? The one MD visible. Okay, make your layer panel longer a bit. We need to see the line type. Yes, correct. Okay, line weight, sorry. Click on the line weight. Line weight. Currently it's 0.5, right?
Yeah, 0.5.
Turn on back, turn on. Why you turn off? Okay, click on the 0.5. Change it to 0.6. Okay. Okay, now type LWD. Enter. 1, enter. Okay.
Okay.
Then you can print this as a PDF.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. So K7, all okay?
So need help.
Yes, share screen. What's the problem? Okay, click layout 1. This is okay. No, nothing there. Okay, go back to your what layout is this? I cannot see. What layout is that? What is the name of the layout? I cannot see. I cannot see. That's why you need to tell me. What is the name of the layout? What is the name? Can you please unmute and talk? K7. Mr. K7. Can you try to unmute?
Okay, sir.
What
Now
happened?
now I share my screen.
Okay.
My screen, sir.
Can.
Okay, so this is my model, and my first layout one I changed to Q3.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Go back to
Now,
your model.
model.
Choose your base view. Okay. View, click the base. Click the base.
Base.
From model space, select your object.
Yes.
Press enter. Press enter. Okay, change the orientation to NE. And then you click. Enter. Enter. All right, select your object. First, select your object. Edit view. Okay. Okay. 1 to 1. Click OK.
Click
Click
yes.
OK. Enter also can. Okay, then line weight, layer properties. Layer properties. Fine. Where is the layer? Can you see that there is a different section? Draw, modify, annotation, and then layer. Draw, you have all your lines circle. Modify, you have move, copy, and then you have annotation, and then you have layers. Can you see that?
Yeah, no.
No. Down a bit. Okay, to the right a bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, found it. Okay, MD visible is where your line is actually. MD visible layer. Can you see the MD visible layer? Yeah,
So,
that line weight, yes. 0.6. Okay. Then choose LWD for line weight display. 1. Yep. Then you can print this as a PDF.
So if later I want, I add my template. So can add here or need to create new one?
What do you mean?
So later I want to put my name here or right. I need to create here or
Create here also can.
okay. So another one more question, sir. So I need to submit in one file. So
Okay.
let's say this is my question 3. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all in one PDF file. How to take that one?
Okay.
I cannot submit separate.
You take a look at my screen now. Okay, can you look at my screen now? One way is, okay, let me see whether can or not. If I create another layout, let's say I duplicate or copy, make a copy, click OK. Layout 1. Okay, at this layout, I type MS. Okay, let's say I have 2 layouts here. Okay, it means you have to do like what I've done previously. I copy and paste all the model in one file. Okay, and then I just duplicate my layout and then I change, correct? Okay, you need to check
Yes,
the previous tutorial on this creating layout. I put all my objects in one file, just copy and paste. All right, so once you have this, okay, when I go to print, right? Okay, continue. Right, plot single layer sheet. Let me check first. Let me check this. Cancel. Print again. try batch plot, publish multiple sheet from one or multiple drawing. Okay. Let's say I go to this, learn more about try batch plot. Okay, and then I'm going to choose. Okay, plotter name in page setup, PWG to PDF. This one is none. Okay, cancel. Let me cancel first. Huh? Let me print again. Continue to one. Let's say video. Okay, it's only allow me one. Size, what to plot layout. Okay, I cannot plot multiple layout, but never mind. Okay, let's say for example, let's say I cancel first. Let's say assuming I create a multiple PDF. Okay, can you see this? I have layout 1, and then I have model, I have figure 3. Let's say I open this. I have my first image, I close. I have my second image, close. And then I have my third image, close. All right. So when you have a different PDF file, and of course you need to have an Acrobat reader. If you have Acrobat reader, you can right click and then you can choose combine files in Acrobat. You see? I can do that also. So when I combine, it will select all three. And then let's say I choose combine. So in this document, can you see this? I have 3 pages here. If I scroll down, I have 3 pages. Understand? Huh? So this is another option. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, can?
Okay, sir.
But you need to have a Acrobat reader. If you don't have, then what you do, you go to online, right? You go to Google. Okay, you search for combine PDF. Okay, merge PDF for free. Let's say, for example, I choose this first result. Combine PDF, first result. Okay, it says choose file. Choose file. Okay, let's say I click this. I go to my D drive. I select 1, 2, 3. I click open. Okay, I'm just trying on here. Okay, it's already uploaded. Drawing 1. I got 1 only. Press convert. That's my file. Let me take a look. Merge files. Choose option. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Merge PDF. Then I go to download. Save to device. Okay, it's already downloaded. The downloaded file, when I open, it has 3 pages. You see? You can use your online resources. Understand, huh? This one?
Yes, not sir. Thank you.
All right. Go to Google, combine PDF, smallpdf.com. You just click and then choose file. You choose all your files, all your questions. Then click open. And then you scroll down. It's uploading first. And then you choose merge files. You check this. And then choose option. You scroll down, merge PDF. Okay. Once you merge, you just download your file. Download, save to device. It will be downloaded to your downloads folder. So when you open, you get all your pages as one file. Okay. Clear?
Yes, clear.
All right. Okay, so we are done basically. All right. Done, right? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to start to draw. basically. Okay, I believe most of you haven't complete yet. Okay, so you have to draw. There is no shortcut. You have to do it on your own. All right. Any question before I end the session? Yes. Why so sad? Okay, any questions? Shaima?
So if any question, any doubts, can I text to you?
Can. You can post it in the group better so that others also can learn together. All right.
Okay. Good.
Okay, so you can personally text me also can lah. Okay, may I know you guys are working in what company? Yeah, if you don't mind. Pasu, you are working at
Myself, FFM Further Processing. We are producing food and beverage. Sorry, food like nugget, sausage.
I see. But since you are as a technician or an engineer there,
Yeah, I'm overseeing a maintenance department.
so is it AutoCAD is required in your company for your job?
Not mandatory. Basic, just a basic drawing. Like
Need to know lah.
It's not necessary.
Oh, okay.
But
How about
basically,
other position other than your position? Is it AutoCAD is required? Is there any drafter or anybody there?
No, so far no.
Oh, I see. Just for your information, okay, we are a HRDF claimable training provider. Okay, so means if you're working in a company, right? Okay, and then if AutoCAD is required in your company, means AutoCAD skill is required in your company, what you can do is you can request from your HR. Okay, so you can request from your HR saying that I want to learn this, and then you can send the company's detail. You check first whether you can attend or not. Okay, if you can attend means you can actually you can text me or whatever. I will send you the details of the program, and then you can apply from the HR department to attend the training for 3 days training actually, and they can actually claim from HRDF.
Oh, okay. Under HRDF claimable fund.
Yes.
Okay,
right.
Understand. Sure.
Okay,
So any other courses? Only AutoCAD?
Yeah. What training do you want actually?
Actually, I'm looking for my kids. Any coding courses?
Coding not yet. Haven't started yet. The Scratch will be starting soon, but for now, no, not yet. Okay, but I do for kids. I do designing classes and also Microsoft classes.
Okay, you can share the detail with me as well.
Yeah,
and then for the AutoCAD, let me talk to my HR because my technician and engineers need the skill. So let me
Yep.
then I'll update you.
Yeah, sure. All right.
And you have minimum how many people are for the
Minimum one also can, but if it is a public program, right? Okay, so I will give a date. Then you have to accordingly you have to arrange on that date lah. So maybe people from other company will be joining on that same date.
so also go to online
Yeah, for now online. If you let's say y'all are like prefer face to face, then you have to let me know. I will arrange another date for face to face.
The location Penang or KL?
PJ.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You are from Penang, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so yeah, Shaima.
Kalau ada buat macam kalau nak join kelas lah, tapi personal boleh kan?
Boleh.
Oh,
Boleh.
okay. Tapi bayaran dia 180 lah. 1800 lah.
Okay. Just for your information,
Macam
this
mana?
180 is for HRDF claimable courses. All right. If personal individually paying, I'll be charging 600 for the 3 days.
Okay. For 3 days only.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, correct. And
Macam-
during the
macam
3 days,
berminat
right,
lah.
you will be doing a lot of exercises. Yes, what was that again? Yes, anything, guys?
So the cost, right? So let's say minimum per person is 650, or if let's say in a group, how
It's an individual price.
individual price? Okay, for us, a special discount, right?
Yes.
Okay,
This
okay.
class is special discount, huh? This class.
Thanks to Kesavan and to you too.
Yes, true. You guys should. Thanks to Keswan, huh? All right. So if no question, we will end the session now. Okay. Make sure you watch the video, and then you can anytime you can pause, rewind back, watch again, do again until you can do it. Okay. If whatever things that it is not covered for your exercises, then you can just post it in the group. Okay. I don't mind guiding you. Okay.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very
Okay.
much, sir.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Tomorrow
sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all.
Tomorrow I got digital marketing class at the night, and then anybody interested in digital marketing?
What I mean, what is it? The
Tomorrow's class will be creating a landing page to collect the leads.
is it free or how much?
Free class.
Huh? Serious?
Yeah.
What time?
From 7 to 10
AM,
p.m.
PM. Okay, I will join.
Okay, I'll post it in the group then.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So the class is actually every Friday. I think 2 classes already done. So this will be the 3rd class. So total is 8 classes. That's one. And then every Saturday I'll be doing designing class. Okay, but coming Saturday we have another class session, free class also. It is from 6 to 9 p.m.
So,
Saturday.
sorry to
Okay.
interrupt. So what designing class is it? Is 3D designing?
No, not 3D. It's this week is Photoshop. Creating video using Adobe Photoshop.
Okay. So it's good for YouTubers, those.
Yeah.
Okay,
If you have your own company, you wanna promote your product using video, then you can attend that. Saturday class is free also, and then this week it's free Saturday. I think hopefully if everything goes well, Sunday I'll be doing at maybe 5 a.m. or 7 a.m.
What 5 a.m.
Why 5 a.m.? It's so that I can match the US timing. Okay, so yeah, hope to see you guys in future.
So
Okay, sir.
you will share all the information in our group.
Okay, I'll share in your group. Okay, after I share, right? Okay, maybe you can join another group for this trainings. For digital marketing, there is another group. For this other Saturday classes, there is another group. So you join that group, then after that we can close this group. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Maybe this group will last for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, Mr. Kesavan. So that
Yes,
if you have any question, you still can post it there.
Yes.
Yeah. Until we end, until we submit our assignment.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much,
Okay, thank you.
sir.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Okay, bye.